Okay, so here's my Tevo Tarantula, which I just received today. It's the large bed version with the auto levelling. Not sure if I've done the right thing by buying that version, but anyway. It came shrink wrapped, and the box is a bit crumpled on this corner here. It's not too bad actually. So it's come all the way from China, and I received it within 3 days of it being shipped. It came via UPS. The invoice which come with it says it was declared for 119 US dollars, and I got charged customs. So because it's coming through UPS, you're pretty much going to get charged customs, unfortunately. And I got charged £34.23. So if it came on a long boat from China, you probably wouldn't pay any import tax, but unfortunately, with it coming with UPS, you're going to get charged. It's not going to get through UPS without you getting charged. Not unless it was selected as a gift, which it wasn't. So I don't think, anyway. No, it wasn't. Right, so I'm going to open this up. Okay, so I've got the box open, and here's the so-called manual that comes with it, which only goes up to it's about a quarter of the way into the build or something, but oh well, there's plenty of help online, so that's handy. Yeah, it looks like it's reasonably well packed. Have to go through everything afterwards. PLA filament. Some orange there. That's the base for the bed. And some cables. And there's the heated bed. And here's the stepper motors. And the acrylic parts. Power supply. Which I can't get out with one hand. Bags of nuts and bolts. That's the auto level sensor, I think. Not sure. And there's the extruded aluminium parts. I was thinking it was going to be slightly thicker than that, but yeah, it is 20 by 20. I can see that. just that it looks more substantial in the pictures. There's the other acrylic bits. Fan. There's the LCD. Doesn't look like anything got broken, so that's good. I won't know for sure until I've got it set up and it's working. So yeah, that's been a quick look and unboxing of the Tevo Tarantula. Large bed with auto levelling. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.